Look how juicy it turned out. I mean, look at that skin. I'm pretty sure you're gonna rethink your decision on whether to go back to KFC, because imagine you can make this from your home. Just imagine that.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, welcome, my name is Linda, and for the old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by again. Oh, so have you ever wondered what's so special about KFC chicken? Well, I used to as well, so stick with me, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how they prepare it step by step. So we're gonna need chicken, which is the main ingredient, some lime or lemon, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, curry powder, ginger powder, garam masala, some more ginger, garlic, eggs, salt to taste, and flour, wheat flour. So let's get straight into the process.
Start marinating your chicken using lime juice, or if you don't have lime, you can incorporate that with vinegar. Then later on, we're gonna add in all our spices, curry spices, then mix them all together and let the marinated chicken sit for about 30 minutes. After adding in all the dry ingredients, we're gonna add the garlic paste and the ginger paste. Add some salt to taste, and in this case I'm using 2 tablespoons of salt. Add in a very small amount of breadcrumbs into your wheat flour. After the chicken has marinated for about 30 minutes, dip the chicken into the egg wash. Make sure that every inch of the chicken has been coated with the egg wash. Later on, dip the chicken into the wheat flour and do it religiously so that the chicken can get that extra coating once it's deep fried. In a hot sufuria or cooking pan, add in reasonable amount of oil and let it fry until it's hot. Test whether your oil is hot enough by dipping in a really small piece of chicken. And as you can see, my oil is really hot. So I'm gonna start dipping in all the pieces of chicken. And remember, do not overcrowd the sufuria. Put the pieces far apart from each other and give each piece ample space to fry. Once the chicken has started turning golden brown, turn it over so that the other side can cook, and do it carefully so that the hot oil does not burn you. As you can see, both sides have turned golden brown. This means that the chicken is ready. Remove it carefully from the pan and put it in your bowl. And before putting it in your bowl, ensure that you have a serviette underneath. And this serviette is basically gonna help in sucking in extra oil that comes from the chicken. And that's it. As you can see, the chicken looks juicy, crispy and crunchy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.